So here we have the StewMac Freehand guitar holder, guitar and neck holder. It does both.
Neck and bodies, yes.
Necks and bodies. And
360-degree rotation that way.
360-degree rotation that way.
So you can
do your painting and your clear coating without touching anything. Let it dry. You can get perfectly flat here. Does it get perfectly flat or no?
Yep.
Oh, I guess you can level it on the stand.
Yeah, this is a clamp that I bought off Amazon. I just mounted that to the top of the speaker stand, and voila.
So basically, you get this device right here.
You get this device here,
right,
and two attachments. One for solid body guitars like this, and one for acoustic guitars, which I don't have right here, but it comes with it. So it comes
with two attachments. Okay.
Yeah, it came with both of them,
and
it just locks on there like that.
We've got this on stage stand and this Irwin clamp to hold it into place, and it's a pretty cool device. I've been using it a lot, as you can see. It's got paint on it, and I'm glad we got it.